Baby, I'm sorry.
Morning, happy 4th of July. Last night before I went to bed, I put on self-tanner, so I'm gonna go wash all this off and see how I did here. Hello, people. I just showered, washed off that tan, so I think we're looking pretty good. I'm doing a very speedy get ready. I thought this was kind of America. We have a lot we're doing today. I have 3 outfit changes, so expect some 4th of July pics. Feel free to go show me some love on Instagram. But yeah, first activity of the day. A couple of us are going to brunch at one of our favorite places, just for a little fun 4th kickoff. We rented a yacht, as I've said a few times, but that doesn't start until 1:30. So, and then we have that for 4 hours. I think we're like sailing up to Malibu or something. This is the same yacht I've been on that Remy rented back in, I believe, the fall. Know what to expect there. Should be a great time. And then I have another outfit for tonight. We're just gonna like chill, I think, at Caitlin B's house, and then go watch the fireworks in the marina. So that's our 4th plan. Since I've been having so many battery issues, I'm gonna conserve this and make this short, but super excited. Should be a really fun day. Comment below, let me know what you did on the 4th, since this will be going up tomorrow. Quick intermission. I was just sitting here getting ready, and suddenly it was like, well, it was an earthquake, but I have never felt an earthquake as strong as what I just felt. Like literally the door frame was like moving. Like all of this was like physically moving. I could feel the floor moving, and I felt like a couple little like trimmer ones before where like your like jewelry will shake, or like I've had like a glass on like the counter shake and stuff. But this was like big. Oh wait, we're all group texting. We're like, what a time to be out in the water. Like, can we not have a tsunami preferably? It was a 4.0. When you go from a 3 to a 4, I'm pretty sure it's like 10 times stronger than a 3 or something. I'm like worried about the structural stability of this place. Update, that was a 6.6. So I thought so. Shelby somehow didn't feel it.
I feel like it was a 6.6 in like San Diego.
Well, it was.
Really? Okay, yeah, because we barely felt it.
No! Everyone else in this text except for Shelby is like, oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. How did you know?
I've been in a real earthquake, okay? That was nothing.
Casey acquired these jackets for all of us. Yeah.
I stole them.
No, well, she bought them, whatever. We literally, 5 of us have, oh, they actually feel good. Like, I was a little unhappy about the price. Wait, what's the bet?
No, it's like
5 of us are gonna match.
Yeah. Oh my god, these are people's warm.
We look so American. We look like we're moving in. Squad's here, got mimosas. I'm getting strong notes of flavor blasted gold.
My mouth is watering though.
Is it my food?
Yeah.
Casey smells it too.
But like it's not your food, because I can smell that.
I guess this is the first thing we've never ordered. It could be this. Are there goldfish tucked away? Caitlin, literally, the fact that it's red, I just said, what are the odds Caitlin has to stand up and do a cheers to America?
Right now.
And we guess the same. Stand up, hold your drink, and say, I propose a toast. I just want to wish everyone a happy 4th of July. We're all gonna cheers. Yes.
Like to make a cheers to America.
Yes. No love on that one.
Let's anticipate nobody.
We made it to the marina. No, Charles, our captain, is a very like 50-year-old man. We have a full red, white, and blue squad. Yay! We have boarded the boat. I do not have my vlog camera because these are rough seas. We're on a boat. Hi, vlog. I secured these USA tumblers. I also bought these beads for everyone. Everyone's wearing them. This is gonna be so windy. This vlog footage is not great. Happy 4th. Happy 4th. Excuse me, I'm offended. We got matching jackets. I forgot we did this.
We're like Team USA.
We really are. My roommate. Yeah, it was not working. My roommate. Hi, cute doggy. Caitlin is chefing it up over here. What do we have on the menu?
We've got a California Pizza Kitchen margarita.
Yum.
And we got a cauliflower.
Cauliflower?
Flour. Cauliflower. I'm not sure.
Yummy.
You can determine which one.
Casey bought us all matching jackets, and it's the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen happen ever.
Honestly, they're iconic though.
No,
Have you seen anything more iconic?
never, ever.
They were fabulous.
So it's like 7:30 p.m. now somehow.
I don't know.
How has everyone's 4th of July been so far, would you say?
Hope it's fabulous.
Fabulous?
Hope it's
Yeah.
been fabulous.
Hi, cutie. Hello. You're so cute. How are you? Caitlin's dog. Okay, no, not allowed. You're so cute. My dog does this thing too where they like nest underneath you. Anyone else's dog? Hi, you're so cute.
Wait, guys, big times. It's getting dark. We're about to go watch fireworks. I don't think the people are ready. Wait, we never used our bubbles on the boat. The bigger thing at hand. We bought glow. Who wants them? Shelby? Casey? I know you're up top of the list.
Ooh, I think it's the list, guys.
No one?
I don't actually know what you're talking about.
Glow sticks.
What's the park?
Oh my gosh, a blue? I feel like we just crack them into place. But where are the pieces to crack them into place?
What do you mean?
You need like the
Connectors.
Where are the connectors?
They were in your.
Because they're ready.
Yeah, they're here. Yeah.
Is that from my bag?
Yeah.
That was from my bag?
Yeah.
What?
Wait, can I rip this tag off?
Yeah, thank you.
One sec. Hey, Caitlin. They have this cooler. that they-
Guys, we have glow sticks. Are you aware? Do you want a glow stick? Oh, maybe I could put it through my earring? That could be, oh my god. Do you guys dare me to earring?
Oh my gosh, I dare.
I dare. Hold on, wait.
Love this spirit.
Can I stick this
Still?
through my crack them?
No, I
Stuck
can't.
back in and it didn't work.
I can't crack it.
Well, then start crack-lacking.
Can you try?
Did you crack them all?
I cracked all those.
Oh,
Is
you
this supposed
can.
to be a white one?
Crack it.
When I was a small.
Oh,
I am LOLing. Look at me. There you go. You got it there. Oh,
Wait, do both.
Do both. You look like an art teacher that I would want to have as my teacher.
Okay, wait, so you're gonna go like this.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
I wasn't informed that we were doing anything to my hair.
If you need, tilt your head down.
Mine is like
Look,
going.
look at that. Like this? A stunning glowing boss.
Okay, I can be about that. I can be about that.
I did. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to. That's purple.
I think it's white.
That wouldn't say.
Oh, both earrings.
Oh my god.
Both earrings just
I've been hit.
Need some water. I'm drinking water. Oh, there you go.
But you
Shelby, I don't see any enthusiasm for the 4th from back there.
I'm mad and disappointed.
These are your glow sticks.
You
The
look
glow
like a
stick
legit
life.
art teacher.
Morgan is a glow teacher. We are all
A glow teacher.
A glow teacher. Victoria. Hi. Are you open to a necklace?
Always.
I'm disappointed.
You back there. I'm so
Wait, are we?
Get up! This is exactly what I envisioned for today's 4th of July. I need to like make moves though. The idea was to try to go watch fireworks in the marina where we were on that boat earlier. So we need to like head back. I've dressed everyone in glow sticks. Don't mind me. I look like some meme or something. Waiting on our Ubers, they're so far away. So we're just working out in the gym. Good morning, guys. As you can tell, this is a combined vlog. Last night I didn't get home until rather late and therefore did not edit the entire video. So this morning I edited up to this point, went on my walk, made some breakfast, and I've just been having a pretty chill day, sorting through the 75,000 photos we took yesterday. If you haven't yet seen on Instagram, feel free to go follow me over there. Our photos look like we're like an American Eagle ad or something. In yesterday's footage, did I say enough things about the jackets? Or did I say enough about the freaking glow sticks that I was very passionate about getting everyone to wear? So I just took a shower, didn't wash my hair, and I'm currently about to go over to Kinsey's. I think it's like 2 right now. So I think Kinsey and I are just gonna have a chill day. I think she's just gonna cook us some dinner. Also, you guys have seen me wear these like Nirvana, AC/DC, and Snoop Dogg t-shirts that look like exactly like this from Urban. They come in like one size and they're huge. They're technically like a t-shirt dress, I think is what it is. But I saw they had a Def Leppard one, so I got this. It feels a little bit different than the others, but like pretty much the same. I think once I washed it a couple times, it's gonna get a little softer, I hope. I'll have this linked below. These are the best t-shirts. I could wear them 24/7, so I'm just wearing this with some leggings for right now. I'm at Kinsey's house now, and she just said, so how's Vlogmas going? And I was like, it's going great. Also, we're like matching.
Yeah, we are literally matching.
Wait, we are actually matching. Stand at attention. We're both wearing the same size hoops, bags on the same side, that's a Nirvana tee, the one I was literally talking about earlier. It's inside out. Leggings, or she's wearing joggers, and slides. My twin and I stopped at Creation to get a little snack. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's, I think grocery shop. Kenzie been cooking for everyone. I was waiting on my invite, so we're finally here. Yeah, she's a chef. JoJo was recently seen at this Trader Joe's.
I think like
Might she be here? I think it was against the wall. That's how I recognized it. Kenzie has cooked a feast. What do we have today?
Okay, kale, broccoli, mushrooms. Oh, that just reminded me. I'm actually gonna put the sauce on in here.
Backtracking, one second.
Yeah.
Brown rice pasta, yum.
Oops, I forgot.
It's okay, no worries.
I think I said that.
Dinner is served, thanks to Kenzie for helping me see another day. Joe, I thought you were moving. Oh my God.
Wait, things are moving. Oh wait, there's another quick. Wait.
I thought you were moving the couch, Joe.
You're not letting me this way?
No, the walls are moving.
Oh my gosh, guys.
What do we actually do?
Wait, no, literally, it's actually. What's falling out here? Guys, this is bad. Oh my god.
I'm getting under the.
This is so much worse.
You guys better get ready to be under some furniture.
Dude, what are we even doing?
You're supposed to get under a structure.
We shouldn't do that.
Oh my God.
People are yelling.
It's still going.
This actually stresses me out more than anything on all of Earth. Hit me with a tornado. I don't even care. I hate this. I'm literally shaking, and not because of the earthquake. Joe, I thought you were moving the
thought you were
couch.
messing with us.
And I was like, haha. Well, we heard things falling. What was that?
Outside. Oh, this morning.
This was a 5.4 as well. Is this technically an aftershock still?
Yeah.
It's only fitting that we watch a Cinderella story.
I am not watching a Cinderella story. That is inviting our death. I hate this. I don't like this. There have been like 2 very slight, I guess, aftershocks that have happened that I would say I'm crazy, but I feel them, and then the chandeliers start moving again. We were gonna watch a Cinderella story, but I feel like that just can't happen because, you know, someone dies in an earthquake. That happens here. So I think instead we're gonna watch Tana and Jake's engagement video that just went up, and unsure what else, but that's my vibe. All right, I'm going to bed. This is the end of this vlog that has been quite long enough. So yeah, we're picking up tomorrow, everyday vlogs again. Kenzie's back here. We're just watching on Netflix this like hyper prepared people for like natural disasters or like terrorist attacks. And if I had the money and the time and the resources, someone just give me a budget and I'll throw all this together. But we were watching one for a man in LA who was like preparing for a giant earthquake, and I thought the coolest part, he has a 38,000 gallon pool in his backyard, complete with a like distilling and carbon filtering system so that it's drinkable. Isn't that crazy? And he has like a year's supply of like dehydrated food. I don't know. Give me the money. I'll be ready. Yeah, probably gonna do some earthquake preparing tomorrow since it doesn't seem like these are stopping. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment anything below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.